Okay, guys. All right. I actually enjoyed this lesson 17. So this is using basic facts to approximate quotient. So we're going to be doing some estimating. Um, but now this is going to tell me how well you know your math facts. Okay. So let's take a look at this. So, we're going to round. So we're going to use basic factors. So I'm going to round 29. I'm going to round this to 30. So I look at this 3 and I look at 913. So I'm thinking, okay, what would be a multiple of 3 that's around 913? Now I can just round this down to 900. So basic factors, 9 and 3, that's a 3. So then I got 100 divided by 10. So I got 1 0 there, 1 0 there, I got 1 0 left. 30. Okay, not too shabby. Let's look at D. So I got 141 divided by 73. And I always look, when I'm rounding to start, I always round with the small, I think about the smaller number. So I have a 7 here and I have a 14 here. Well, I'm going to round this to 7. Now, don't always go with the rounding rules. Well, yeah, this would round to 70 because it's 73. I get that. Sometimes you might have to break a rule or two. It's okay as long as it kind of makes sense. I'm going to round this to 140 because of 14 and 7. That's 2 divided by 10 divided by 10. So that's 2. Look at this one. So I got 4. I look at those first two digits, 48, and I have 6. Oh, I know that. I'm going to round this to 60. I'm going to round this to 480 because 48 divided by 6 is 8 divided by 10 divided by 10. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay, let's look at this word problem. Video game store has a budget of $825 and would like to purchase a new video game. If each video game costs $41, estimate the total number of video games the store can purchase with this budget. So estimate. I'm not finding the exact. I'm just finding an estimate. So I'm gonna 825 divided by 41. So I'm estimating. So I'm gonna round this to 40. And I'm thinking 48. So I'm gonna round this to 800. Okay. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2, divided by 10, divided by 10. So I have 1 0 left over. That's it. So I can buy about 20 games. Okay? All right. Take a look at the flow chart. Look at that. Under 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Impressive.